If a man truly loves you, he will move mountains to be with you. He will call you, text you, and let you know how important you are to him. He will never go ghost, and he will always respect you. He will call you beautiful or pretty. He not only says you're his world, but shows you with his actions. A man who loves you will not leave any doubts in your mind about how he feels about you. A man who loves you makes you a priority. He supports you always. He accepts you just the way you are. You're a top priority most of the time. He expresses his feelings and trusts you. He apologizes when he needs to. He laughs with you, not at you. He keeps in touch during the day. He makes your problems his problems. He makes space for alone time. He never lets you go no matter how hard the situation is. He loves one girl in a million ways, and that's you. He respects you and your family. He fears you. When he does something wrong, he says, "I love you," for no reasons. Life is too short. Don't settle for anything less. My dear Tag, your loving man. Say nothing, but I love you. Drop a like and follow for more.